Hi everyone, this is Tim from GeoNet. Welcome to the walkthrough of GEO-PULSE's new quest, Hexplorer, the latest way to boost your rewards using the GEO-PULSE device. In this video, I'll walk you through how the Hexplorer quest works, show you what it looks like in the app, and guide you step by step on how to complete it. This is a limited time event running from June 16th to July 15th, so make sure to participate while it's active. You'll be seeing a screen recording from my mobile device so you can easily follow along with each part of the process. Before we get started, let's do a quick refresher to help both new and returning users understand how to use GEO-PULSE to collect rewards. First, you must have a GEO-PULSE device. Once you receive the device, refer to our installation video for guidance on how to set it up properly. Place your GEO-PULSE on the dashboard or roof of your car, making sure it has a clear view sky. Once it's in place, connect the device to the GEO-PULSE app to start tracking and earning rewards. Unlocking Hexplorer Quest and its details. Hexplorer Quest unlocks only after you've completed or started all tasks of the initial GeoNet Hex Fix quest. If it's not completed, the new Hexplorer Quest will not appear in the quest tab and you won't be able to earn rewards from it. In the initial quest, you need to achieve RTK fixes in 8 different hexagons with at least 10 moving RTK points in each. Once completed, Hexplorer Quest will automatically appear in your quest tab. These are some important facts to know about this quest. You can get a hex fix in up to 5 new hexes each day using your GEO-PULSE device. For each hex you get a fix in, you can earn up to 20 GEODs in rewards. Hex progress resets daily, so you'll need to fix new hexes each day to keep earning. Every day, 5 new unfixed hexes will appear on your map. Once a hex is fixed by someone else, it will not be available for others that are participating in the quest. Understanding the map. Now, let's take a look at how the Hexplorer Quest map works. When you open the map tab, you'll notice that some hexes are shaded in light blue, while some others remain clear. Light blue hexes indicate areas where an RTK fix has already been completed either by you or another user. Clear hexes are still unverified and eligible for rewards. Live example, completing a Hexplorer Quest task. Now, let me walk you through an example of how to complete a Hexplorer Quest task. I've already completed the initial quest, and you can see the Hexplorer Quest is now active in my quest menu. These are the nearby hexes. Blue ones are already completed and clear ones are available. I drive into one of the clear hexes with my GEO-PULSE device connected and active. As soon as I achieve RTK fix while in motion, the hex shades blue and the reward is issued. How Hexplorer Quest works. Hexplorer Quest helps expand verified RTK coverage on the map. You earn rewards by achieving RTK fix in previously unverified hexes. Once a hex turns blue, it's marked as complete and you can't earn additional rewards from it. This process helps build a decentralized crowd verified RTK map. Recap. Here's a quick recap on completing Hexplorer Quest. Complete the initial GeoNet quest to unlock Hexplorer Quest. Use the map to identify clear, unverified hexes. Drive into those hexes with GEO-PULSE connected. Achieve RTK fix while in motion, the hex turns blue, and you receive your Geo token rewards. Final thoughts? That's it for the Hexplorer Quest walkthrough. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated on new features and upcoming quests. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
GeoNet. Mind the sky.